Guidewheel has been very helpful in assisting us meeting our customers' demands, our goals, by always being on the know of what's running, what's not, and we've been able to meet deadlines, not delaying any shipments. We're always on top of any emergency that arises throughout the night, throughout the weekend, and we're able to address those issues. When I was notified that our facility was going to be installing it as well, I was very excited. For me, anything that's helpful, anything that's going to help us increase our utilization, our efficiency, I'm all for. So I welcomed it. We are a little bit short-staffed on the technical side, on the maintenance side, but we made it a priority. Once it was installed, it was amazing. It was something that really we can work with, and we can address situations immediately. So for me, once we had Guidewheel installed and I was able to view, it just made me feel more comfortable that I was going to be able to push this plant to be better and more efficient.